Welcome to lecture 2 on website development using WordPress. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped. Do remember that this program is powered by No Big Deal online free training. This is our today agenda. We'll be talking about pages and posts, menus, widgets, media libraries. Then we'll be talking about how we're going to do our project. So let's get started. Pages and posts. We are going to learn about pages and posts on a website. Let's imagine you have a big book. Some pages in the book stay in the same, like the cover or the table of contents. That's for example. But some pages changes every day, like a diary. So that is how pages and posts work on a website. A page is something that stays the same for a long time. Examples of pages on a website are About Us, or you can say Contact Us, Login. All those things, they are pages. They don't change like that. So they often change. But when you say post, it's like a daily newspaper. New posts appear on the website every day or week. People use posts to share news, stories, or updates. Now, let's learn how to create and edit pages. When you make a page, you can write text, add pictures, and even put videos. But what if we have too many posts? We can organize them into groups using categories and tags. So categories are like bookshelf. They help us put similar things together. While tags are like stickers. They help people find related topics. So, when you say page is something that don't normally change when you create a page. It will be there for a long time except if you want to edit it. While post, we use it for passing information or news or something like that. So let's move on to menu and widgets. Menus and widgets. Have you ever used a map to find your way? So menu is like a map for a website. It helps people move from one page to another without getting lost. A menu usually has links to important pages like home, about, and contact. If a website did not have a menu, people will not know where to go. That is why we must create a clear and simple menu. We all know websites where we have some navigations. When you click home, it will carry you to home. When you click on contact us, it will carry you to contact us. So all those things are called menus. Now let's talk about widgets. A widget is a small tool that adds extra thing to a website. Imagine a school notice. Imagine when you have a school notice board where you see a class timetables or announcement. A widget does the same thing on a website. We can put widgets in a different places. Some go on the sidebar where they can show recent posts or a search bar. Others goes to a footer where we can add social media icons or contact details. Widgets make a website more useful and fun. So what I can simply let you know about a widget is that a widget, we use it to divide our pages in some parts. Then we put some important things under it. So when you talk about menus, it's just like a map, and when you talk about widget, it's just like what? A small tool that add extra things to the website. So let's move to the next one, media library. Media library is just like a photo album, a big album where we keep all the pictures, videos and documents for our website. When we want to add a picture or video to our website, we upload, rename the file, we upload it to the media library. We can also rename the files so they are easy to find later. But we must be careful. If we upload too many files, the website may slow down. So we should delete old or unused files to keep everything neat. A media is like what? An album where pictures are kept. Pictures, everything about videos, just like a media's, just like a picture album, like I said earlier. It is also a good idea to add descriptions to image, because it will help us when we are searching in the search engine. The search engine understands what the picture are all about. If someone is looking for a picture of a school, they can find it easily if we add the right description. So we don't have much to say today. Who can tell me more things they learned? You can comment. Then on this practical, on this project, you are to design a simple portfolio website. Number 2, you are to create a personal blog with image and videos. So try this, comment, and let me know your weak points. Conclusion, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and for inquiry you can chat this number. So we await the next class when we will be talking about customizing WordPress, how to use page builder, then advanced themes. Thank you and welcome.